Hello, my name is Amir. Amir Hussein Oyo. I'm from Iran. I've been learning JS. This is my new course, and you might know me from my website and that I made a long time ago. And today I want to show you another website that might interest you. It's a digital clock displaying time in my time zone. So here, basically, we're giving class JavaScript, so we're making like a class, and then this part basically in the beginning where you give like all the type buttons, adding division, class, and everything heading. So I wrote I have a message for everyone, and then I created a button. When I click on it, it's like when on click there's a variable, the function, sorry, and that will display something. I'll show you. The name is please click on it, so you understand what we have to click on it. And then it's division ID. The ID is my clock display. The class is clock, and then all is like basically the show time here. The date, like I mean the hours, minutes, and seconds. So here, as I told you about to say hello, when you click on that button, it says hi my name. It takes you to another site. It says hi my name is Amir. I learned code from GoGlobalWays. And here's the show time. We made lots of variables: variable for hour, variable for minute, second, and session. By that means AM or PM. And it gets the hours by the time zone of your device and everything. And this is for minutes and seconds. It says if hour equal to 0, makes the hour to 12. But if it's greater than the 12, it will equal h minus 12 equals to PM. Let's make it PM. It's basically the same thing for minute, hour, and hour, minute, and second. And here is the how should I say, the alignment versus hour, as we know the number hour, and then it's the number, the colon, and then again minute, and then colon, and then second. And then the session is like AM and PM to show what it is. And this is the getting the element by ID, as we give an ID here, my clock display. We're trying to get the element by the ID, and this is for the image text, and that's for the text content for time. And this is set timeout, so it's just show time. And this is the end. And here I uploaded my website on GitHub. You can come and see it with this link. You can check my project with the link. This is the link. So if I click on it, website is gonna come. And this is it. As you guys see, this is the part where I told you I wrote hi, I have a message for you. And this is the time. As I said, hour, minute, second, and then this is the session thing, AM or PM. And here it says please click on it. Let's click. Hi, my name is Amir. I learned to code from GoGlobalWays. Very interesting. Hope you liked my presentation, and see you on the next one.